How do I add a new type of measurement to an existing graph in PASCO Capstone? In this example, I already have a plot of position versus time from my motion sensor. The motion sensor also collects velocity versus time data, and I'd like to display that alongside position. I have two options. One is to add a second y-axis, and the other is to add a second plot area. I'll begin by adding a second y-axis using the Add Y-axis button in the toolbar. This gives me a second y-axis to the right of the existing plot, and I can switch that to show velocity. So I now have position and velocity on two y-axes within the same plot area. I'll undo that to show you the second option, and that is to use the Add New Plot Area button from the toolbar. This adds a plot area below the existing one. I can switch this to show velocity. And now in two separate plot areas I have position and velocity each versus time, but they share a time axis. Now, if you prefer to more directly create these axes or plot areas, you can do so from the data summary. To add a second y-axis, I can drag and drop velocity and drop it here. I'll undo that. And my other option is drag and drop velocity below the existing plot area to create the second plot area. So, additional y-axes and additional plot areas, you can do it via the graph toolbar or by dragging and dropping the measurement.